Hello, and welcome to this video on data cataloging. In this video, we will be discussing the role of data cataloging in enterprise data management. Specifically, we'll explain what a data catalog is, why it's important, and how it helps organizations manage their data more effectively. So, let's get started. What exactly is a data catalog? A data catalog is a centralized repository of an organization's data assets. It captures information about data sources, data sets, and their metadata, and makes it easy for users to find and access the data they need. And why is data cataloging important? Data cataloging is important because it enables organizations to manage their data assets more efficiently and effectively. Here are some key benefits of data cataloging. Centralized repository of data assets. A data catalog provides a single source of truth for an organization's data assets, making it easy for users to find and access the data they need. Improved data quality. By capturing metadata and tracking data lineage, a data catalog helps organizations identify issues with data quality and take corrective actions. Increased collaboration. A data catalog promotes collaboration among users by enabling data sharing and reuse. This reduces the chances of data duplication and consistency. Better governance. A data catalog provides a framework for data management and enables organizations to establish data standards, policies, and procedures, ensuring better governance. Effective data management. A data catalog enables organizations to understand their data assets, manage them efficiently, and utilize them effectively, helping to achieve their data-driven goals and objectives. In conclusion, a data catalog plays a critical role in enterprise data management. It provides a centralized repository of data assets, improves data quality, promotes collaboration, ensures better governance, and enables effective data management. By implementing a data catalog, organizations can streamline their data management processes, enhance data-driven decision-making, and gain a competitive advantage. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on data management. If you have any further questions on data cataloging, please do leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.